Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We've got a 2019 Sabre Cobalt 36 BHQ. Bunkhouse model, dual air conditioners, pass-through storage. Got a mini fridge also. Solid entry steps, extra large grab handle for the entry door. Power awning with LED accent lighting. Table and chairs, recliner with light, massage, and heat. Fold-out couch bed, 30-inch Furrion fireplace, flat screen TV, 3-burner range stove, microwave residential refrigerator. Our bunkhouse area. The bed will fold up. There's room for another TV hookup. Lots of storage here also. LED lights throughout. Ceiling fan. Now this unit has a little loft area too. Got some stairs. Front bedroom, king bed. Now the bed folds down so you can, for reading or whatever you'd like to do with that. Got a front closet. It's prepped for a washer dryer. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.